When torturous driving conditions leave you bargaining for the life of your car, BlueDevil's 3-in-1 Radiator Flush is a solution proven to keep your car running and your life moving. This easy-to-use, time-tested solution is compatible with all engines and trusted by a generation. Turn vehicle off and allow engine to cool. Once engine is cold, remove radiator cap. Open drain cock and drain cooling system. Collect used antifreeze and dispose appropriately. Next, close radiator drain cock and slowly pour 3-in-1 Radiator Flush into radiator, topping off your cooling system with water. Replace radiator cap. With the product in your car's system, start engine and run heater on max for 20 minutes. For a deeper clean, operate vehicle for 1 to 2 hours. Once clean, allow engine to cool. Open drain cock and flush radiator with water until product is removed. Finally, close drain cock and refill with antifreeze. The BlueDevil 3-in-1 Radiator Flush. Easy to use, saves money, maximizes performance. BlueDevil Auto Care Solutions.